Ready to transform your pixel-based Photoshop creations into the infinitely scalable world of vector graphics. First, open your design in Photoshop. This could be anything from a logo to an illustration. Ensure all the elements can be selected and organized, as this will benefit the process later. Now, let's move on to the most straightforward method: saving options. Click File, Save As. In the Save As dialog, select Illustrator EPS from the Format drop-down. EPS stands for Encapsulated PostScript and is a vector-based file format that Illustrator can easily open. Choose a location to save your file, and click Save. Now, open Adobe Illustrator, go to File, then navigate to the location where you saved the EPS file and open it. Voila! Your design is now in Illustrator. Though it might not be exactly as you expect, you'll see outlined shapes. You'll have work to make it look perfect. You can adjust the design here. Double-click the paths to edit and smooth your lines. You now have the flexibility to scale to any size without losing quality. You might have to clean up and refine the design further. Finally, to make your new Illustrator design available to Illustrator's features, save as and pick the AI file extension. Congratulations, you've successfully brought your Photoshop design to life in Illustrator. You have the power to create stunning, scalable vector artwork. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore the possibilities.